Screams. I woke up with a note duct taped to my chest.
Don't move. He'll hear.
I lay frozen in bed, heart hammering, eyes scanning the dark corners of my room. The note was written in my handwriting, but shaky. Desperate. There was nothing in the room, not at first. And then something moved beneath the skin of the ceiling. It didn't crawl, it shivered, like a ripple in a thin sheet of flesh, stretching over something impossibly large and watching. I stared at it too long. It twitched. The walls bent inward like a breath being held. Every shadow lengthened toward me like black strings pulled tight. Another note appeared on my chest.
You looked too late.
I screamed and bolted upright. Sunlight. Morning. Gone. Everything normal? No notes, no ripples, just birdsong and my mom calling me down for breakfast. But when I stepped out of bed, there was something taped to my back. My mom screamed when she saw it, screamed like her lungs were tearing. It said,
He's wearing your skin.
She ran. I followed her downstairs, begging her to tell me what it meant, but she wouldn't turn around. She locked herself in her room and called the police. They broke in. They aimed guns. They cried. They made me lie down and put my hands where they could see them. One whispered,
Don't look at its face.
I didn't understand until I saw the last note. It wasn't written on paper. It was carved into my reflection.
Every time you read this, it starts over.
I blinked. I woke up. There's a note duct taped to my chest.